Wait! Don't skip this! Stop right there. This is not your average scroll moment. This is your golden opportunity to level up as a content creator. You're about to unlock the exact strategy to create viral cartoon-style videos with a consistent animated character that looks like it just walked out of a Pixar film. Smooth animation, one character across every scene, and vibes that scream high-budget animation, all made using free tools. Now do this. Open YouTube search for RHR Fun TV. What do you see? Boom! Over 567,000 subscribers and just 482 videos. But now, go tap the popular tab. Kaboom! 20 million views, 30 million views, even 40 million views on cartoon edits. And guess what? They're not complex. They're not done in a pro studio. They follow one secret format that I'm about to hand you, step by step. This niche is on fire, and it's not too late. You're not behind, you're right on time dot. So whether you're a beginner, a creator stuck with 0 views, or someone ready to go from hobbyist to viral star, this is your moment dot. Now buckle up, because we're starting from screenshot to viral Pixar-style animation using only free AI tools. Let's go! Step 1. Let's begin your Pixar universe. This is where the magic begins, and all you need is ChatGPT. Upload a screenshot of your favorite animated consistent character or any consistent character you want to bring to life. Now, type this custom command into ChatGPT. Create ultra-detailed Pixar-style prompts using the same character design across multiple scenes one by one in 3D animation style. Upload the image, hit enter, and wait, yes, boom. Prompt 1 drops. Prompt 2 hits harder. Prompt 3, even better. You're literally watching your story unfold scene by scene as Pixar quality text prompts. See all one by one prompts. Carefully consistent character is good. Yes, all is done. Lighting, dramatic and emotional colors, rich and cinematic expressions. So real, it feels alive. Best part? No login required, no credit card, no watermark drama. Just AI, imagination, and you building a character-based animation story from the ground up. Let's keep the momentum rolling. Step 2. Turn those prompts into Pixar-like magic. Next up, let's take those rich, cinematic prompts and turn them into real images. We're using the magic of Piclumen.com. This tool is an absolute hidden gem. Smooth interface, stunning results, and totally free to use. No catches, no branding, no limitations. Once you're on the site, hit Create and set your canvas to 16:9. Perfect for shorts, reels, and YouTube videos. Now copy that first Pixar-style prompt from step 1, paste it in, wait for the magic to render, and boom! Out comes a fully rendered 3D-style image that looks like a Disney still. Now keep going. Prompt #2, generate. Prompt #3, generate. Every image is like a new animated moment. Vivid colors, emotional depth, movie-grade lighting. Each one adds another piece to your visual story. Once they're done, hit download and save them, because next up, we're turning these static scenes into real animation. Step 3. Turn images into real animated videos, now with more. Here's where everything levels up. We're going to animate your Pixar-style images using a super powerful tool called Hauilo AI. Go to hauilo.ai sign in using any Gmail. It's fast, simple, and gives you 125 free credits instantly. That means you can create 4 to 5 full videos. No payment, no restrictions, no watermark. Once inside, scroll through the homepage. You'll see amazing sample videos. Everyone feels like a mini Pixar short. Vibrant, emotional, moving. Take note of how consistent the animation style is. That's what we're going to replicate. Now scroll back to the top. Your turn. Upload your first Pixar-style image. Paste the matching prompt, click Generate. Each video takes around 3 minutes and uses 25 credits. That's it. Fast and studio quality. Then do it again. Image 2, prompt 2, generate image 3, prompt 3, boom. Within minutes, your static Pixar frames are now fully animated video clips. Watch each one. They move with life, personality, emotion. You'll say it out loud. Wow, 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 this looks insane. Now, download each one. Review the quality, name them in order so you're ready for final editing. And remember, every Gmail gives you a fresh 100 credits. Want more clips? Just log in with a new email. Unlimited creativity. Hauilo AI isn't just a tool. It's your personal animation engine. In just minutes, still images become stunning animated video clips with motion, emotion, and cinematic style. No complicated timeline, no editing skills, just upload, prompt, and watch the magic unfold. Every clip looks like it came straight out of a movie studio, but you made it for free. It's like Pixar power at your fingertips. No team, no budget, just results. With every click, you're not just creating content, you're building your own animated universe. Step 4. Edit, polish, and export in CapCut. Now it's time to bring all those animated scenes together into one powerful video using CapCut, your free editing command center. Open CapCut. Start a new project, drag in all your animated clips, one by one. Arrange them in story order, scene by scene, smooth flow, visual rhythm. Now clean it up. Tap on each clip. Use the crop or zoom tools to remove any borders or logos. Do this for all clips. Keep it clean, sharp, and cinematic, ready to polish. Add transitions between scenes. Soft fade, smooth slide, or dramatic swipe, whatever matches your vibe. Preview the full timeline. You'll feel the pacing, the emotion, the storytelling magic. This isn't just a video, it's a short animated film, built by you, powered by AI. Final move. Tap Export. Choose 4K resolution for stunning quality. Take a deep breath, and then BAM! You did it. You went from a single screenshot to a full-blown Pixar-style animation, all for free. No team, no studio, just your creativity and the right tools. Final wrap-up. You made this. Now take a second, seriously, and look at what you've created. Now go build your next animated universe. Let's go!